连来到3天的援助人员拢恐攻击，世界中央毒帮创办人安德瑞斯接受访问的时，伊是真激动，情绪激动，批评讲以色列就是有系统的咧攻击。即马白宫嘛表示，美国总统拜登针对这件代志是感觉心痛佮愤慨。
在以色列空袭加沙，杀害美国主权机构下底的世界中央毒帮，这个无共国籍人道工作者了后，获证人是心肝肺道。创办人安德瑞斯接受专访，情绪是真激动。
They were targeted systematically, car by car, but still I cannot confirm that it was used 3 individual targets or was few other ones that because they were not successful in hitting, they keep trying. This was not use bad luck situation where, oops, we dropped the bomb in the wrong place with a very defined humanitarian convoy that had signs in the top, in the roof, a very colorful logo.
They have been contacts with him directly to make sure that this won't happen again.
美国白宫表示，总统拜登对这件代志是愤慨佮心痛。虽然以色列调查的结果还未出来，不过美国是真不满，话嘛讲了真重。
They did not believe that it was the World Central Kitchen that was operating those vehicles at the time. Whatever the reason was that led to this tragedy, whatever the mistake that happened inside the IDF, it's unacceptable.
世界中央毒帮罹难者的遗体已经再离开加沙，因为来自澳洲、英国、荷兰、美加双中国籍，还有一个巴勒斯坦人。在离开加沙已经变的太平间的时阵，伊方讲出战争的无情甲粗残。
والذي تقدمه الحكومة البريطانية والحكومة الأمريكية دعما للجيش الاحتلال الإسرائيلي إن كان بالمال والسلاح والعتاد لم يفرق بين الفلسطيني والجنسيات الأخرى.
公司新闻502编译。